हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू द ब्रेनबॉक्स ट्यूटोरियल्स। आई एम योर टीचर प्रियंका और आज I.C.S.E क्लास 10 के बायोलॉजी का पेपर हो गया और इसके साथ ही I.C.S.E बोर्ड्स 2023 भी ख़त्म। पेपर तो काफ़ी इजी आया है जैसे कि मुझे स्टूडेंट से सुनने को मिल रहा है, तो पेपर डिस्कस तो कर लेते हैं बट आई होप मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस तुम लोगों को कोई क्वेरी होगी भी नहीं, कुछ एक में डाउट्स होगा तो वो अभी क्लियर हो जाएगा। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं सेक्शन ए से। सेक्शन ए में नंबर 1 पूछ रहा है, MCQs है ये 15, तो उसका पार्ट 1 है द सेक्स क्रोमोसोम इन अ ह्यूमन ओवम इज, करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ए, X क्रोमोसोम। Number 2, which one of the following is a biodegradable waste? That is option D, flowers. Number 3, the hard sound dub is produced when A, B, C will be the correct option, semilunar walls close. Number 4, deplasmolysis occurs when a plasmolysed cell is placed in option number B, tap water. Number 5, alpha cells of pancreas secrete option number C, glucagon. Number 6, haploid number of chromosomes are found in, that is half the number of parent, so that will be in D, sperms. Number 7, the lifespan of an RBC is A, 120 days. Number 8, the statistical study of human population is called option number B, demography. Number 9, the pale yellow color of normal human urine is due to the pigment, option number C will be the correct option, urochrome. Number 10, stimulation of the nerves of the sympathetic nervous system, option number A will be correct, accelerates heartbeat. Now number 11, the site of light reaction in the cells of a green leaf is number B, grana of chloroplast, because light reaction takes place in thylakoids, that is, and pile of thylakoids is grana. Okay, now coming to number 12, the paper used to demonstrate unequal transpiration in a dicot leaf, that is number D, cobalt chloride paper. Number 13, vitreous humor is present between option number B, lens and retina will be correct. Now number 14, oxygenated blood to liver is supplied by option number A, hepatic artery. Number 15, during the synthesis phase of the cell cycle, more of DNA is synthesized, option number C. Okay, this is question number 1. Now moving on to question number 2. Part 1 is name the following. Number A is organelle that forms the ester during cell division. Correct answer is centrosome. Number B, a genetic disorder in which the blood does not clot. That is hemophilia. Now number 5, the permanent stoppage of menstruation in human females around the age of 45 years. That is called menopause. Number D, the opening on the barks of trees through which transpiration occurs, that will be lenticels. Number E, a gaseous plant hormone which promotes ripening of fruits, that will be ethylene. Okay, now number 2, arrange and rewrite the terms in each group in correct order to be in a logical sequence, beginning with the term that is underlined. Okay. So here number A, snake, rabbit, cabbage and hawk. So number 1 is obviously cabbage, we will start with this, then rabbit, then snake, and last one will be hawk. Now coming to B, xylem, soil water, cortical cells, root hair. Number 1 soil water, number 2 root hair, number 3 cortical cells, and number 4 is xylem. Number C, receptor, response, effector, spinal cord. So first one is receptor, then spinal cord, then comes effector, and then it will be response. Number D, fovea, lens, cornea and conjunctiva. Number 1 conjunctiva, then cornea, then lens, and at last fovea. Number E, testis, urethra, sperm duct, epididymis. So number 1 is testis, number 2 is epididymis, number 3 is sperm duct, and last one urethra. Okay. Now coming to number 3, match the items in column 1 with column 2, and it is written rewrite the correct matching pairs. I hope you have rewritten properly the correct matching pairs. Now here column number 1, A is hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults. Number A will be number 2 myxedema. Then number B hyposecretion of insulin, that will be number 5 diabetes mellitus. Number C hypersecretion of growth hormone in childhood, that is number 4 gigantism. Number D hyposecretion of ADH, that is number 1 diabetes insipidus. Last one hypersecretion of thyroxine, that will match with number 6 exophthalmic goiter. Now coming to number 4, choose the odd one out from the following and name the category to which the others belong. Number A, used bandages, pesticides, face masks and syringes. Here the odd one is pesticides, and the category to which others belong, biomedical waste. Now number B, dust, smoke, carbon monoxide and effluents. So the odd one is effluents, and the category to which others belong is air pollutants. Now number C, uterus, urethra, urinary bladder and ureter. The odd one is uterus, and the category to which others belong is urinary system. Now number D, menstrual phase, telophase, follicular phase, luteal phase, and the odd one is telophase, and the category of others will be menstrual cycle. Last one number E, malleus, incus, cochlea and stapes, and the odd one is cochlea, and the group to which others belong will be, you can write ear, ossicles in middle ear. Now coming to number 5, state the exact location of the following structures. Number A, thyroid gland. It will be in front of the neck, below larynx. Okay. Now number B, dura mater. It will be outermost layer of meninges. Number C, amniotic fluid, in the space between embryo and amnion. Number D, papillary muscles, in the ventricles in heart. Now last one, E, islets of Langerhans, that is in pancreas. So here we come to the end of section A of biology paper. Section B का भी मैं solution लेकर के आऊँगी जल्दी ही, बट पेपर बहुत ही easy था. I hope जो physics का पेपर हुआ थोड़ा टफ था, केमिस्ट्री का उससे बेटर था, बट बायोलॉजी ने तीनों का प्रॉपर्ली कवर कर लिया. जो भी दो जो तुम्हारे टफ हुए उसको कवर कर लिया. तो ओवरऑल साइंस का एवरेज अच्छा हो जाना चाहिए. जिसने भी फिजिक्स का या केमिस्ट्री का पेपर ख़राब किया था उनके लिए तो ये गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी थी इससे अच्छे मार्क्स लाना. तो मुझे बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लोगों का पेपर कैसा गया. बायोलॉजी का लास्ट पेपर था. एंजॉय करो, अब तो रेस्ट करो बिकॉज क्लास 11 भी फास्ट ही चालू हो जाएगा. सो पहली बार बोर्ड एग्जाम का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा वो भी लिख करके बताना. और सेक्शन बी के भी सॉल्यूशन मैं फटाफट लेकर के आती हूँ. तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर नहीं किया तो शेयर करो ये वीडियो. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. बाय बाय, एंजॉय, जय हिंद.